Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas to y'all. This is the end of our blizzard here. I want to get a flashlight. I want to show you guys something. Looks kind of cool how the snow built up on my truck. I'll grab a flashlight here. Oh, sorry, bumped you. Alright, let's see if this will light up anything. It'll light up a little bit. Hey, look at how much snow got in here under the lean-to. That out there, try to shine my light out there. I can't really. That's about 4 or 5 feet deep. It just drifted right over the septic mound. Oh, hold on, let me get up to the side of this so you can see what it looks like. It's kind of funny looking. Let me get back here. That's what the front of the truck looks like. Check out the snow right there. Isn't that wild? Basketball hoops all full. Snow dripping off. There's a big old drift right there on the roof. I'm gonna have to get that off of there. That's quite a bit of weight. Let's walk down the driveway. Yeah, I had to snow blow as soon as I got here. There's no way that the wife is gonna be able to get out to work. My track's to Starlink. I had to go over there and get the ice off of it. It's not even working right now, of course. Crap never works. Anyways, guys, that's the update here. It's all over. We made it through it pretty easy. I don't think we got it too bad. We only probably got 2 or 3 feet of snow. Alright, you guys enjoy your Christmas, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.